A little tip, because I forgot this myself. We've got a pilot hole there for the cable where it's going to come out at the bottom of the latchy side of the gate, which before it goes in the junction box. But what I forgot to do is actually probably really have the full bore hole there, which around about 14-16 millimeters. Because if we use a step drill now and go through there, it will cut a bit of that cable, which isn't too bad, but you don't want to do it. I'm going to pull this cable up above there and then push it back down, but it's probably better practice to try and have that bored out before you bring in the cable through with the snake. Ideally you want to be able to see those cables as well, so what I do is strip them at the bottom here, and then where my finger is, where the bore will be, basically you want to see them and hook them with a bit of wire or thin nose pliers or whatever you can get your hands on, and then pull them out and back through here. I don't tend to bring the snake out through here because it just puts another angle on it, and doesn't really, well, I've tried it before and it hasn't worked quite so well. So I bring it all the way down to the tailpipe, if you will, and then pull it back up, pull the cable back up that way, and then deal with this here. Okay, hope that helps. Cheers.